Massive blackouts brought large parts of Spain and Portugal to a halt on Monday, disrupting everyday life across both countries. Spanish power grid operator Red Electrica confirmed it was working with energy companies to restore electricity after significant outages were reported across mainland Spain and Portugal. E-Redes, a Spanish electricity grid monitoring company, said restoration efforts were underway in phases and described the situation as part of a wider European problem. Spanish radio stations reported that parts of Madrid's underground metro network were evacuated due to the blackout. In the heart of the city, traffic jams piled up as traffic lights went dead, according to Cadena Ser Radio. Similar scenes were reported across Portugal. Police there confirmed widespread disruptions, saying that traffic lights were affected countrywide, while metro services in Lisbon and Porto were suspended and trains stopped running altogether. Businesses, shops, and restaurants were plunged into darkness. The power outage began shortly after midday Spanish time, sweeping across multiple cities. Although the Balearic and Canary Islands were spared, mainland Portugal and neighboring Andorra also experienced the blackout. Public transport bore the brunt of the outage. In Madrid, passengers were evacuated from trains and internet services saw major disruptions. Businesses in many cities found themselves without power, impacting shops, restaurants, and even internet connectivity. In a later update, Red Electrica said that power was starting to come back in the north and south of Spain, calling it key to gradually restoring the electricity supply. The operator stressed that all its resources were being mobilized to resolve the issue as quickly as possible. Portugal too saw significant disruption. According to Reuters, Portuguese police said traffic lights failed across the country, metro systems in Lisbon and Porto were closed, and trains were not operating. The blackout even had sporting consequences. Play at the Madrid Open tennis tournament was suspended after power failures affected electronic scoreboards and cameras. British tennis player Jacob Fernley was among those forced to leave the court. Adding to the chaos, Spain's national railway company Renfe confirmed that the entire national electricity grid had been cut off around 12:30 local time. Trains were left stranded and no new departures were permitted at stations nationwide. While restoration efforts are now making progress, the massive blackout has exposed the vulnerabilities of the power infrastructure and left millions grappling with unexpected disruptions. This remains a developing story. Stay with us for the latest updates.